The prosecution has rested its case in the trial of 3 Tacoma police officers charged for the death of Manuel Ellis.
Ellis died while in police custody back in March of 2020. Officers Matthew Collins and Christopher Burbank face second-degree murder and manslaughter charges. Officer Timothy Rankine is charged with manslaughter. Tacoma Bureau Chief Lionel Donovan joins us live outside the courthouse with a look at today's big developments. Lionel.
Good afternoon, Jessica and Steve. Well, the prosecution ended its case with testimony from DNA analyst Teresa Chirumcha. Today, she testified that DNA from Ellis was found on the hobble that was used to restrain him. However, this afternoon, the defense called on the judge to dismiss the entire case and to drop all of the charges against the officers. The lawyers from each officer argued that the state did not present enough evidence to justify the charges. Mark Conrad, who represents Officer Rankine, stated that his client arrived at the scene after officers Burbank and Collins and had no knowledge of their activities until he arrived. So Rankine cannot be accused as being an accomplice to their actions. The judge ultimately decided to uphold the charges against all 3 officers, but did agree with Conrad in regards to Rankine being accused as an accomplice to Burbank and Collins.
And so to the extent that that is argued, I would say that that should go out. But there is evidence to support the idea that Officer Rankine himself may have been criminally negligent or reckless, just as there may be reasonable doubt about all that. We'll see what the jury has to say.
Now, court will be in recess for the rest of the week for the holidays, but will resume on Monday morning at 9 a.m. And that is when the defense will begin to make its case to the jury. But for now, we're live at the Pierce County Courthouse. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.
What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now!
Just outside the courthouse, a protest was held calling for justice for Manuel Ellis, chanting and holding signs. We heard from the Ellis family attorney, James Bible, who says this trial has been a difficult time for the Ellis family.